welcome back. Welcome back to a rainy, here's a baseball cap, rainy Seattle. My timing is not good. I had a hint of sunshine earlier, and then it just started. But living in the Northwest, man, Pacific Northwest, can't let rain stop you. I have my balaclava on, and I know it's been a while since a couple of weeks since I posted anything, so see if we can get some saddle time today. Hopefully this mic is picking up my audio. We'll soon find out. Alright, well, my work assignment is going to be ending fairly soon, and I have a lot of free time on my hands, so I'm thinking of maybe renaming my channel. I don't know, something to do with bicycling. It's really what I've been mostly posting these days. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a bit of a lovely hill. Well, I'm gonna just ride up Memorial Drive, and hopefully it'll dry out before right down. It's tilted with some water from the ground here. Because of course I forgot to put on my fenders, the fender at least for that. That's okay. It's just water, but it is 47 degrees this morning, so and it's not terribly cold, but it's definitely not warm. I'm not going very fast, nor do I expect to. I'll take you guys with me and see how far we can go before the rains come back. It did stop. There was just a little bit of a drizzle, but it was raining this morning. It's typical here, anywhere from I think November to January, February even. That'll be the wettest months. And it's just something you have to live with if you intend to live in these spots. of the hill. 1.5 miles of climb here. Not so bad. Although you've seen me on different video logs where I've struggled up here. Depends on how you feel, you know. Well, it's smoking through this like lava. See. Here, airplanes buzzing overhead. These are the apparently some of the busiest months for travel. Some of this cold winds make me snotty. Yeah, February. These are nice chairs. February is one of the busiest months for travel. Here the airplanes busy carrying passengers to and from Seatac International Airport. Alright, so we're going to talk about today. Yeah, February, it's for me it's a transition month. Turning 62 this month. I think I'm just let's go slow for here on out. Not that I've been going under 10 miles an hour. Just be semi-retired and just enjoying life. Do a little bit more riding. Depends on how I feel. That's my intent is. I'm definitely not going to miss work, but I'm sure I'm going to get bored. Let's see I can do some side hustles. Side hustles that would make the days go by faster. Or you just find another position. You never know. Honda's going fast. I know there's been a ton of layoffs in all industries. I mean, AI-driven economy appears to be causing some layoffs, and you name it. High tech, technology, even healthcare. Financial services. You know, it's everywhere. The logistics arena. I don't know how people are gonna make ends meet, because even if you qualify for unemployment insurance, that's not very much, first of all, and then not for very long. Depends on how long you were employed. So and sometimes it's kind of a catch-22. You may get an offer for work, but your net employment insurance may be more after taxes than working. That's kind of difficult decision to make, but it's one you will need to. And I think that in the end you will choose employment. You know, can't be unemployed forever. Going. That's another way to travel. Some of those scooters are pretty quick. They're not inexpensive either. You buy them brand new. You can pick them up for cheap, depending on the model. So yeah. Employment in the U.S. kind of tricky these days, and that's of course compounded by the high rate of inflation, the cost of groceries going up, and healthcare subsidies being taken away. Along with Medicaid and state of Washington SNAP or Apple health benefits being reduced, and requiring recipients, depending on the family size, to work at least 80 hours a month to continue to receive those food stamps and food assistance. So that said, though, the official unemployment rate is still only at 4.6%. What does that tell you? It tells me that 96% or 95.4% of the people are still employed. I mean, that might be underemployed, part-time work, or seasonal labor, but that's still amazing. Amazing to me, anyway. Alright, I made it up that hill. Now I'm going to try and make it through this intersection now. Alright. I got what Europeans call football, we call soccer here. They did some road work here. Oh, it's bumpy. Thank you. Camera just itself. But you know, the seasonality of jobs can also minimize the amount of labor that's being loose, that's being shed by the U.S. workforce. You know, holiday seasons like Thanksgiving, Christmas can boost employment. Adding the numbers, but it'll still mask the pain, the struggle of people. They're fighting through it. So I remember when VR, or virtual reality, is a big thing, and even the multiverse before Facebook changed its name. Even back many decades. We talk about you gotta party like it's 1999, the Y2K saga. Talk to you. Doomsday clock. It's gonna go to 0. Okay, now it's starting to rain again. Oh, that's the way it is. But at least I'm kind of more on the side streets now. Not exposed to a lot of traffic. Over there. Good boy. Although this road here can be abused by a lot of motorists for speed. It's supposed to be 25 miles an hour max, but hardly ever happens. And I'm guilty of it too. Truckers going. Good boy. That's a dog there. Doing a nice checkered vest. Sitting on his porch barking at me. It's okay. The van was nice enough to give me away. Just coasting through here. Go downhill before climb. Stop raining again. A little bit of a headwind here. Okay. Hope your Sunday's doing well. Is they say February 1, the year of our Lord. I hope you're having a great day. I know I will once I get back home and feel my tired legs and the accomplishment of having ridden before another work week begins. Oh, a bunch of barking going on. I think there's a kennel close by. I think there is a kennel. And rain gear getting to work out today. Yeah, I'm just gonna go down here to Bonnie Watson in Seatac. Then head back. the motorists will be considerate again. Overnight parking here on my right. Oh, it's a nice husky. Good guy. He walked by his mama. With his overnight parking here, I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's at Acme or I forget the name. A lot of airport employees, flight attendants, airline personnel parked there. Alright, I'm going over, I think that's Highway 518 underneath me. Going to stay by the curbside here, so I want to go straight, just right here. It's been a while since I've been here on my bike. Okay, that was a quick light. This is the I think Airport Road. Back road. Pump. Alright. That was a pretty decent ride. Oh, somebody's filming here. The news crew. You know what the story of the day is. Oh, cutie there. Cute one. Broadcasting Game 5 looks like. One of these box trucks. Well, we delivered I don't know, food trays. Yeah, if you haven't been to Seattle, Seatac Airport has been remodeled. It's beautiful. Always love coming back here, coming back to town after a trip. You get to see on a clear day, going up the escalator from the new gates, you see Mount Rainier, which is definitely hiding today. Made it. kill two birds, kind of three stones here. Ride my bike, get some exercise, and visit my dad's Waka. It was the anniversary of his passing on the 27th, but I was working. I couldn't come over to visit him. Oh, they put a gate up here. Interesting. They put this new gate on for illegal parkers, unlikely, or people waiting for an Uber ride or a taxi ride. Alright, have a great day, buddy. Happy February.